And the title of the show is I Hate Men.
I hate men.
What?
I can't abide them even now and then. Then ever marry one of them, I'd best a virgin rather. For husbands are a boring lot and only give you bother. Of course, I'm awfully glad that Mother had to marry Father, but I hate men. Of all the types I've ever met within our democracy, I hate the most the athlete with his manner bold and brassy. He may have hair upon his chest, but sister, so has Lassie. Oh, I hate men. I hate men. If thou shouldst want a businessman, be wary, oh, be wary. He'll tell you he's detained in town on business necessary. His business is the business which he gives his secretary. Oh, I hate men.
Stop it!
But ladies, you must answer to what would we do without them? Still I hate men.
I Hate Men. Thank you, Milena and Janos, number 200. We follow with start number 201 from Slovakia.